Hey folks, Shane.Pennebaker, aka Shane the Shark Man, coming at you live from Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're showcasing the 3401 2021 Newmar Baystar. Amazing product Newmar puts out. Wait till you hear all this. You're going to really want this. It's an excellent coach. Let's take a look. Okay folks, like I said, this is the 2021 Baystar 3401. Now this has the monster V8 engine in it. I'll tell you, when you put the gas on, you're sitting in the back of the coach. Very, very nice. Absolutely beautiful full body paint. Some of the features that it has are tinted windows, of course. It's got an outside TV, a full wall slide. I mean, you got tons of storage, and you have an outside wet bay, which includes a shower. Wash the sand off your feet and sandals before you come inside. All right. Also, it's got a standard backup and side cameras. It also has these amazing slide toppers, so when you pull the coach out, anything that falls on top will just roll right off when you pull them in. Every one of them has awnings. This is great. Now, coming inside of the coach here, you're going to be greeted by a spacious cockpit, swivel seats, and then coming further back, you've got the gas range. You've got a Whirlpool microwave as well. Excellent products. You've got a Whirlpool residential fridge freezer. Also, a pull-out dinette. It's really, really nice. Then when you're going back further, you have a nice size sleeper sofa and plenty of storage. And storage is gold in these, as you know, folks. Moving further back, we've got a really nice sized bathroom and shower. It's bigger than my shower in my house, and I'm not kidding you. Got a full-size closet right across from that. Hang all your stuff in there. I mean, amazing storage in the bedroom. And you have a king-size bed. Like I said, folks, you absolutely deserve this coach. Best germ-free way to travel. No one's flying, no one's floating. So this is it, and you can see the United States and do it in the safety of your own coach. And this is outstanding. Just come see me, Shane the Shark Man. We'll have lunch, talk about it. We'll get you inside this beautiful coach, whatever it takes. Thank you.